So on top of being Vlogtober, I've also been trying to get back into running. So with all of that going on, I've had to kind of rethink how my workflow goes with editing videos like this. I like to do vlogs, but they usually take up a lot of time. Right now I'm out on the beach trying to get in a run and work at the same time. That's why we're doing this right here. But I've changed up my workflow a little bit and I'm working a lot more mobile now. And the thing that I've been using the most, I think I put that on the wrong way. The thing that I've been using the most to speed up my workflow is Premiere Pro Rush. Honestly, it's a great program, but there's one fatal flaw. And like, don't get me wrong, I love Premiere Pro Rush. I love how portable it is. I love the fact that I can just transfer the footage from my Canon 80D, which I'm using right now, to my phone and be able to use it in the program. I love the fact that I can take the videos that are just on my camera and use them natively without any kind of third-party intervention. Everything is just right there on your phone. I love the fact that you can make your basic edits, you can edit audio, you can actually finish an entire video right on your mobile device. And then if you wanted to make any fine-tuned edits, you can actually take that same program and edit it on your computer on Adobe Rush, or you can open that file in Premiere Pro and make those Premiere Pro extra edits if you really wanted to take it even to the next level. The entire Premiere Rush suite is just built for ease of use, and that part I think is incredible. The one flaw that I see with Premiere Pro Rush might not even be a problem for most people. In fact, I don't think it's going to be a problem for most people. If you're watching this and you're wondering if you can use Premiere Pro Rush for your YouTube videos, the answer is a definite yes, with one caveat, and that is the audio editing. And it's not just audio editing, it's a specific problem with the audio editing. In the last vlog that I used Premiere Pro Rush to edit on, I ran into a problem where I was using my Rode video mic NTG and I was recording a safe channel on the right side and the normal channel on the left side, which means the audio was not balanced. And I had some real issues trying to fix that in Premiere Rush. And as I was doing research, I found out that you can't fix it in Premiere Rush. If you're like me and you want to record a safe channel, then you can't fix it. But also, if you're into broadcasting, like if you're a news journalist that goes out on location, a lot of times they record audio and sound effects or music in separate channels. Or if they're doing an interview, they'll record the journalist on one side and the person they're interviewing on the other side. Premiere Rush would be the perfect solution for journalists, newsrooms, and be able to get stories out really quickly, even editing as they're going back to the newsroom and having that story finished and complete, really speeding up workflow if it wasn't for that one major issue. Now, I'm not saying that it's going to be a killer for most people, but if you're used to working in a way where you split audio and you have to choose your audio track in your editing suite like I am, like a lot of news organizations are, like a lot of professional video organizations are, then using Premiere Pro Rush isn't a real option for you. But Adobe, if you're listening, it's a really simple fix. So I'm going to open up my vlog that I edited here and I'm going to show you. When you go into your editing suite and choose audio, there just needs to be another option down here that says audio channel, and we should be able to choose the left or right channel, or sometimes like my C70 has 4 audio channels. So if I dropped C70 footage in here, then I wouldn't be able to choose the channel. It would just play all of them at the same time, which is something that I don't want to do. So if I had a choose audio channel in here, then I'd be able to split it out and make this stereo audio a mono track by choosing the left channel to come out of both left and right speakers. That would solve all of my major issues with Premiere Pro Rush. Does that make sense, guys? I'm not trying to be a Premiere Rush hater. I just think it could be much better and it would work better for me. Maybe I'm being selfish, but let me know in the comments, how are you liking Premiere Rush? Do you even use Rush? If you're not using Rush, are you editing mobile? Let me know in the comments what software, what programs, what apps you're using to make that happen. I personally use my Canon 80D direct to my phone, and then I'll use Soundstripe and connect that to Dropbox in order to use my music that I like. So that's kind of the workflow that I use, but let me know in the comments, what do you use? Thanks for checking out this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Look, it's my favorite mug. It's proof that I was once a good runner. 2016, I won the Hub City Hustle. It's a triathlon. I did that.